Allows new aftermarket stereo to be installed in factory location. Fits double DIN stereos with a maximum screen size. Faceplate opening is 3 13/16 by 6 13/16, 96.8 mm by 173 mm. Precision designed for a gapless fit between the dash and the dash kit. Color and texture matches the factory dash. Easy to install. No special tools are required. Includes step-by-step instructions. Backed by Scosche's lifetime warranty and lifetime tech support. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. I bought this in July, finally got it installed this weekend. It comes as a two-piece kit. The metal frame holds the radio, and my audio control 3.2 crossover line driver. I had to do a lot of out-of-the-box things to get it all in there, even drilling special holes in my crossover to mount it in the housing. I don't have any plastics fabrication experience, so I used velvet and wood for spacers between components. In the end, it doesn't look too bad. I won't consider putting a system in my vehicle without a separate crossover. My choice for SQ is audio control, along with better wiring between components. Wiring does make a difference worth the expense, which I used handmade silver interconnects from head unit to line driver, 3 runs of Stinger 8000 to my Zuki Audio Elements 5-channel amp. End results: great sound, excellent radio mount kit. I definitely recommend spending the money to get a better kit.